Oh. Go.
Oh, he's asshole. He's hooked up. Oh.
No.
Secret location. We can't tell y'all, but
It's private.
it's
Also,
it's a very beautiful spot.
and the water is normally blue. Yesterday, it was
Well, not yesterday, but
the day before.
the day before yesterday. The
It
water,
was brown,
It was brown.
and it wasn't good. So,
Yeah.
basically, what we're gonna try to do is fish this spot. And the time before, last time we were here, caught some biggins. So, basically,
Vegans.
begins. Basically, we're gonna crank this baby, we're gonna jerk this baby, and we're gonna rip some rips. Hopefully. What do you have to say about that?
Well, well, really nothing. That was pretty good, but I do have to say that we got Guggen baits. Yay! We're gonna
Finally.
be using some Guggen baits today, so well, really he's gonna be using the Scout, and I might use the clutch.
Hey guys, I'm the only person here that's got the GoPro. Sadly, we only have enough money to get one, and there's Bubba up here, or Rob, my bad. So, about to get cranking to it. Let's go.
Oh, got one. He's hooked up. Ooh, is it big? Yeah. Oh, oh my. Okay. Holy crap! Get him out the current. Get him out the current.
Oh, oh, that's a beast, that's a beast, that's a beast, that's a beast. Holy crap, holy crap.
Stay down, stay down, stay down. Where's it? Wait. Australia, come here.
Ah, that hurt. Oh, look at that beast.
That is a monster.
Oh,
That might be my PB.
that is your PB. That thing's fat. Oh my God.
That's bring it up here.
I'll give you a high five once. Oh God, there's ticks on me. Crud, okay.
Set it.
You got it?
Oh my God. Wow.
Oh. Oh, it's still okay. Whenever it turns off the screen.
Look at this. Look at this. That was my first cast on this. The clutch lives by its name. Wow. Yeah.
Okay, it's time to get the scale out. Holy crap, okay.
Get that thing on the scale. What we got?
4 pounds.
4 pounds on the dot?
Yeah, on the dot. 4 on the dot.
Let's see it.
Wow.
Show the people.
4 pounder.
Well, I'm gonna zoom in. Right on the dot.
That's epic.
Very epic.
All right, let's get to going, baby. Let's get this bread, dude. Not even a hit. God.
It's a perfect angle.
Good. I'm recording on the GoPro.
Alright. Had a tip on me.
Yeah, me too. Oh. Go.
Oh, he has one. He's hooked up. Oh.
No, GoPro. Film. God dang it. My GoPro went off as soon as I got him.
Oh, she's barely hooked. She's barely hooked.
There. I'm gonna see if I can. Well, I can't really get down there to the water, so I'm just gonna let it go. There it goes. I'm walking over this way because this is good bowfin territory, and that's a bucket list fish for me because my friend Rob over there caught one a few weeks ago, maybe like a month ago, and I hooked into one over here, and he jumped out of the water and spit the hook, and I almost freaking cried because that sucked really bad for me. It was a big loss. So let's see if I can redeem myself and catch this humongous turd. I was trying very, very hard to not get my socks wet and ended up getting my socks wet anyway, so. Ooh, isn't this wonderful? Bubba, you're hung up? I was about to say, how's your luck? There's a butterfly in my face! Dude, come on now. Please, Mr. Bird's Nest, please don't do this to me. I'm not in the mood at all. What is on my shoulder? Welcome to the jungle. We have board games. Oh my god, a butterfly landed on my GoPro. This is sick. A butterfly landed on my GoPro. It's a sign. A fly landed on my eyeball. It's a sign. God, this must be entertaining footage, isn't it? Smack my GoPro with my bait caster. Awesome. Son of a... Dude. Come on, dude. Okay, here we go. Trying to catch myself a bowfin. Alright, let's get it and go, baby. I'm gonna stand right here and I'm gonna cast and I'm gonna catch literally nothing. Let's see if my estimation is true. Or I'm gonna catch something and be really, really happy. My projection is correct. I didn't catch a thing. Well, nothing there neither. I wonder how he's doing. There she is, baby!
Well, she broke off. It had the clutch on, which sucks because, like my favorite. Chinchog is what we're going to be using. now. Not really, he's just sitting down by a tree. But it's kind of personal with him and this bowfin. We come here a lot now, and he hooks up to this bowfin. Let me see if this is recording. Okay. It's like he hooks up to this bowfin, and well, he's never caught one. So I had a bigger bite than that, I promise you. Why didn't you sling it up? You're just like, wait, is that a bowfin? No, there for a second you stopped and you were like, is that a bowfin?
Yeah, I was like that for a second, but I was trying to sling it up. It didn't matter because pulling it up, it was going to come up with no right. Basically, I mean, it's not really your fault, and it's not really mine. It was going to come off the hook anyway if I pulled it up. So.
It's a personal thing between him and that bowfin.
It's really personal.
I had a bite. I don't know what it was, but I had a bite. Are you kidding? As soon as I turn on my GoPro, you've got to be kidding me. Don't tell me I came off. Don't tell me I came off. It popped off. I've lost both of my brown jigs. You know, I think I'm gonna tie on something. Then we're gonna go to the car. We're gonna get some freaking chicken nuggets, dude. I am so tired of this. We'll come back on a sunny day and we will slay the bass game. We will come back on a sunny day. But right now it is very, very dark. Well, it's gray and it's not seeming too good. See? Am I right or am I right? You all right with that? You guys all right with that? You okay? I think that beeped. I think it turned off. It might have been perfect. It was. Battery exhausted.
Oh my god.
Battery exhausted.
That thing can go through some batteries.
Oh yeah. That's why we need a charger. Well, my GoPro's still on. Looks like we're gonna be filming with this for now.
Hello. Oh, I kinda got a little wet right there. Beep, my bad.
All right, guys. I know you're seeing it from first-person view right now, but
The camera died.
camera died, and we're gonna go ahead and tie on. Well, I'm gonna tie on, and then we're gonna head out, and we're probably gonna go to the next area. If we don't end up going to the next area, we're probably gonna go home, probably eat some chicken nuggets. Oh yeah. You guys want us to do a challenge with these? Let us know, because
Hard to catch fish on.
these are like, bruh, you always do that.
Oh, you really do.
That's like the size of my hand right there. I wear a 9.5 men's US, and that's pretty, well, I don't know if you can see that or not,
It's like
but
3 inches. That's really it.
yeah, pretty much. But it's a big bluegill swim bait. Well, not bluegill, but like sunfish bluegill, whatever
it's
you want to call
bluegill.
it. But, and it has a treble hook on bottom and a regular hook on top. And,
$1 swim bait fishing challenge.
well, this is $3, but all right. Anyway, but yeah, basically that's this. So if you want to see us do a challenge with it, let us know. We might end up doing it anyway, just for the fun of it. So leave a comment if you still want to see it and stuff like that. So anyway, we'll either see you guys back at the house or the next spot. All right, see ya.
Huge puddles here, by the way, guys. Bad puddles. There's tiny ones, tiny one, a bigger one, a huge one, and they're pretty deep.
got the GoPro recording.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm about to crap myself right now, honestly.
Oh, are you? Are you? Okay, first deeper one.
I'm gonna kind of try to stay over
Okay. All right. You gotta go fast through this one. Oh no. Oh my goodness. The GoPro turned off?
No, it's still recording.
Oh.
It records even.
Whoa. Wow. That's a
This is
bad
my car, dude.
That's bad lighting too.
Well, just wipe my windshield real quick.
That was an intense moment.
Got his big mama. Big.